Pixelverse is trending right now, up nearly 200% on the week. What is going on with this token? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at Pixelverse token that's just been going absolutely ballistic and whether or not you should load up a bag. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. We're taking a look at Pixelverse token, currently trading at 6 cents with a $347 million market cap, already up 111% in the past 24 hours, and since the stop on CoinMarketCap, up 160%. But what is Pixelverse token? Is it worth investing in? Is Web3 gaming space going to be that big? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. So what is Pixelverse? The Web3 gaming ecosystem. We see the table of context, which we're going to skip. Let's just jump straight into the introduction. Pixelverse is a cyberpunk themed gaming ecosystem that integrates third-party developers and its own project. Pixelverse features a cyberpunk themed game available on both Telegram and the web browser. The platform boasts 60 million players and over 14 million social media followers, with a top 10 biggest channel on Telegram. So Pixelverse isn't just about creating a game. We've built a retail-friendly brand that captures audience attention and onboards millions of its product line. We are in the business of attention economy. Our example is leveraging social media channels like our YouTube, where it hit 1 million views in 24 hours. When you have disruption, you are open to infinity of possibilities of further development, says Corey Leon, the co-founder. So it looks like a Web3 gaming space that has now introduced crypto. It has multi-platform accessibility, diverse gaming experience, Pixelverse multiverse, Pixelverse cross IP, receive backing from prominent VC in the crypto gaming space of 5.5 million fundraising. That's absolutely insane. We can see Pixel, a new era of gaming, and again, they're on Telegram and website. So they got PvP battles, unique bots, in-game currency earning mechanisms, so play to earn, SoFi features, so user profiles, competitive play, token challenges, final boss fights, cyberpunk MMORPG, so that's that cyberpunk style, player-driven worlds, live economy, crafting system, social interaction and professions, massive battles, and bots. So it looks like it has a ton of features in this project. But what really is this project? We got a rough idea. Battle for your digital destiny, a very clean website. We see there's some battles taking place. They got PvP, a bunch of different options, right? They have so the gameplay side of things, clean artwork, clean graphics, very much looks like an NFT style thing. And I want to take a break from this for a second and take a second to highlight another presale gem that's going absolutely insane, also in the play to earn space, not as technical as like cyberpunk, but more the Tamagotchi style. Now this presale gem is called PlayDoge. It's the best play to earn game with your Doge companion. This presale project has already raised $5.7 million, and in 13 hours from now it's going to have the next price hike. So we want to buy into a presale gem that hasn't even launched yet. You want to make some crazy gains, this one might be the chance for you. They've been growing rapidly fast. They've been featured on a ton of their articles, great bio, great roadmap, great tokenomics, and also cherry on top, it has staking as well, where you currently earn 84% AP. This part is not something you want to miss out on. We talked about a ton on this channel already. We made videos about it, but as we're coming closer and closer to the launch date, if you like the play to earn space, you like the Doge themed tokens, this is going to be your best bet if you like the pre-sale gems. Like, again, not financial advice, but again, I bought it myself, and I know the viewers are really loving this project. Link in description below if you want to load up. But let's go back to Pixelverse's website. Again, very clean. We took a look at the gameplay, the characters, and again, they're going to be going on webs very soon as well. So desktop version, farm, upgrade, win. Very clean website. Looks like they're going to have like the card theme style. I know a lot of people like this. I'm not too big in the gaming space, but I know this is definitely a massive space to enter. And obviously the token side of things and the user side of things, over 10 million plus Telegram users, 500,000 Discord members, and 13 million active users, 3.1 million followers over on X, which is absolutely insane. They have a massive ecosystem. And now guys, the fact that they already have an existing base of fans, it was very easy for them to roll out a crypto. And for us, even if we're not necessarily going to be playing the game and we just want the passive income side of things, it's going to be solid to buy in super early and just be a part of the process while this continues to level up and grow. Overall, crypto market looking pretty solid as well. And the fact that it's trending number 2 right now, and crypto is right about to go into a reversal into a bull market, this could easily continue its growth. It's at $350 million market cap. If we get this $1 billion market cap, we're looking at even potentially higher. A simple 4x from here. This is gonna be trading anywhere from the 50 to 60 cent range in the span of a couple months. So getting it at sub 7 cents is an absolute amazing opportunity. They're growing rapidly fast. We saw the website, we saw what they have to offer, their social metrics, everything's clean for this project. Looks like they have an FAQ tab as well, and just the angel investors that are pretty much docs. It's a massive project. Remember, they are very big. They have a lot of money, lots of support, lots of followers, affiliate partners. We got Binance, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, the project advisors for the project. Everyone's docs. That's what we like to see. And the social media is just absolutely insane. 3.1 million followers with great engagement. We can see this was posted a couple of days ago. 1.3 million views when the trading was live. Introducing Pixelverse perpendicular staking. So that's pretty awesome. 1.4 million views. So their social engagement is absolutely insane. Looks like they have a prize pool on Bybit. So they are going crazy with the upgrades, with the promotions, with just developing a solid project. And that's exactly what we're seeing over here. So many users, so much money can come into this project. I saw this on trending tab, I took a deep dive, and I'm like, this is going to be a solid growth project. They are building something very different, and we know how big the gaming space is, and I think there's finally a project here to deliver on that promise and make some solid disruption in the crypto Web3 gaming space. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this project in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.